Good morning. I am Dr.J.Daniel, Department of Commerce, Bishop College. Today's topic is income tax, introduction to the basic concept. Income Tax Act 1961, the classification of 5 gets: income from salary, income from house property, income from business or profession, income from capital gain, income from other sources. Introduction to basic concept of income tax. In welfare of state, the government takes primary responsibility for the welfare of its citizens as in matter of health care, education, employee, infrastructure, social security and other development needs. To facility of government need revenue, the taxation is the primary source of revenue to the government, incurring the such public welfare expenditure. In other words of government taking the tax from public through one hand and other through another hand, it incur the welfare expenditure for public lodge. However, no one enjoys handling the over his hand money to the government to pay the tax. Thus, tax are compulsory of enforceable contribute to the government revenue by public. Government may be leave tax on income, business, profit or wealth or add into the cost of some goods and service and transaction. What is the income tax? An income tax is a tax the government impose on income generated by the business and individual within the district. By law, taxpayer must fill and income tax return annually to the determine under tax. Obligation of income tax or a sources of revenue for government. They are the used to fund public service, pay government obligation and provide goods for citizens. Tax are classified direct tax or indirect tax. Direct tax are two type tax: direct tax such as income, on other hand too, which is an incident when impact fall to different person is now as indirect tax, such as GST etc. It means in case the direct tax is recorded directly from the assessee who unlimited bears such tax, where in the case the indirect tax recorded from assessee who pass such burn into other person and unlimited bond beyond the customer of such goods and services. Example, GST, custom duty is nature of all person will be the equally tax or goods and services consumed by them irrespective of the ability. Useful to promote social welfare by the checking the consumption of harmful of goods, since goods are higher tax of tax. The indices of the impact of all same person assessee him bears of such tax, thus pincer the taxpayer lived income. Example, income tax. The progress of nature of higher tax lived under earning the higher income vice versa. The indirect tax incident impact of all different person. The tax is recorded from the assessee who pass of such burden and other person, thus does not pinch the taxpayer. Live goods and services, thus type of tax lived in inflation and have wide base of GST. Example, GST custom duty recovering the nature all person will be there equal whether the tax goods or services consumed by the irrespective of ability. Useful tool that promote welfare by checking the consumption harmful goods or assigned goods through the higher rate of tax. The assessment of previous year, the assessee person of individual artificial this person. Assessment year section 2 subsections 9. Assessment period of 12 months of command the last 1st April every year to March. The every charge of example assessment year of 2024 to 25, which is common the April 1st April 2024 and end of March 31st. Previous year the called of for the previous year 2023 to 24, same of April to March. The previous year March of financial immediately preceding the assessment year, income end of year in assessing in next year, the year which is income earned now previous year and the next year which is income assessed in the now assessment year is monetary for all assessee to follow this financial year. Thank you.